In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize double opt-in email in MailerLite. Double opt-in is the extra confirmation step that helps keep your list clean and engaged. When someone signs up, they receive a confirmation email and must click a link to join your list. Customizing that email and the follow-up page is key to keeping your branding consistent and your message clear. Let's walk through it together. First, choose the specific form or page you want to work with. Head to the Forms area in your account. If your sign-up lives on a landing page, you'll find it under Sites instead. Locate the exact form you want to edit and click the Overview button. This takes you to the control center for that form, where all the settings and assets live in one place. At the top of the Overview page, open the Double Opt-in tab. This is where you'll manage both the confirmation email your subscriber receives and the page they see after they confirm. Keeping both elements aligned with your brand helps reduce confusion and increases confirmation rates. Now let's customize the confirmation email. Under the Confirmation Email tab, start by adjusting the sender information and the subject line so they reflect your brand and set clear expectations. A straightforward subject like "Please confirm your subscription" usually performs well. Next, click Edit or Edit Content to launch the drag and drop editor. Here you can tailor the text to match your voice, clarify why the subscriber is receiving this email, and make the call to action unmistakable. Update colors and the button style to match your brand palette, and make sure the button text clearly says something like "Confirm my subscription." Aim for strong contrast and simple formatting so the message is easy to read on mobile and desktop. Keep in mind that complete design customization of double opt-in emails is only available on paid MailerLite plans, so options may be more limited on free plans. While you're in the editor, take a moment to preview your email to check spacing, links, and readability. Finally, customize what happens after someone clicks the confirmation link. Switch to the Confirmation to Thank You page tab. You can edit the on-page message to welcome new subscribers, set expectations about what they'll receive, and keep the tone consistent with your brand. If you prefer to send subscribers to your own branded page, enter your URL in the Use Your Own Landing Page field. Make sure that link is correct, published, and mobile-friendly. That's it. Select your form, open the double opt-in settings, refine the confirmation email, and tailor the thank you experience or redirect to your own page. Save your changes, and you're ready to grow your list with a polished, on-brand flow.